Hi everyone, Sean Lin, founder of BotCamp. I'm just going to do a quick video on how to assemble one of the 3D printed visors that we have on our website. So you take the 3D printed part, and these are meant to attach to a 3-hole punched sheet protector. They already come with the holes already on them, but pretty straightforward part. There are 3 hooks, so we'll go ahead, we'll put a hook into the hole, and what you do is you stretch the hole just past the other side of the hook. The hook is much bigger than the hole, so then once you've stretched it and kind of pulled it through, it will stay inside. For these page protectors, the holes at the ends are usually oval shaped, and so the hook is actually quite a bit bigger to compensate for that. So again, you take the front of the hook, stick it into the hole, insert it all the way, and then you stretch the hole past the other side, and then it locks into place there. Repeat it for this side. Hook in, stretch the hole past the other side, let go, and then it just snaps into place. And then we're going to go ahead and attach the elastics to the back. Most people can usually get away with 2 elastics, but you can reduce it to 1 if you kind of have a smaller head like I do. Or if it's not comfortable with only 2 elastics, you can go ahead and add 3 or more even. But if you're doing 2 elastics, you can just put 1 elastic inside of the other. And then what we're actually going to do is we're going to take the end of this side of the elastic and we're going to loop it through, and we're going to stick it inside this part of the elastic. And then so you just pull it through and it creates a nice little loop there, and now you've got 2 elastics attached together. You can keep repeating that process to get you enough elastics until you hit the comfortable point. Hooks at the end, the elastic just goes into the hook. You just kind of slide it in like that. Same thing on the other side. Take the hook, there's the elastic, we'll just go ahead, snap it through. I like to put it on from the back first, slide it forward, center it up nicely, and then there you go.